Welcome to Sundays with Christina. Christina here. I've been reflecting on the two fundaments of Andean shamanism. Munay, the Quechua word for dissolving the I into the one, and Ayni, A-Y-N-I, another Quechua word meaning divine reciprocal exchange. These two words are surely not mutually exclusive. They are moth to flame in their wisdom, hand to glove. In mentioning these pillars of Andean shamanism, it feels important for me to return to the topic of duality, us and them, othering. Because dissolving the I into the one and divine reciprocal exchange cannot live in these waters of duality. Divine reciprocal exchange can only occur when we are in the experience of all is one. And yes, meditation, where we let thinking, quote unquote, thinking, arise and dissolve while creating a sanctuary for space and a new consciousness to emerge would be helpful. But it's not necessary. Do you want to experience unity consciousness? If so, you could simply start here. Bring your awareness to every time you find yourself having an opinion or a belief. Yes, this is your mind dividing in the comfort of duality. Be rogue. Anytime a belief or an opinion arises, simply see it as thinking. A perpetuation of duality consciousness. Every time you reflexively go down this path, you are an indentured servant to duality. It is up to you to change course. After all, it is a new year. And may I remind you, an election year. Plenty of opportunity to be the change you want to see in our world. A new consciousness is emerging. You can be a part of it. Drop othering, us and them, you and me. Jump into the emptiness and being in the moment. Full being in the moment. It will deeply change you. Abundant blessings to all from a very cold Arctic wind blowing through Minnesota.